How was your 2022? We hope you had plenty of interesting camping adventures and went to a few interesting places, maybe even some of the places that we've been to. Hey.
We've had some great times away and we've met some nice people, which has been awesome. A few followers, which was even great too. We have that news at that time. That's good.
Yes, yeah, we've met a lot of our viewers out there who come and say hello. And so if you see us, come and say hello. Because
I love a chat.
She does. and a wine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're not teetotalers.
No.
Anyway, come and say hello if you see us in 2023. We're going to be out there again. And we're headed off to the
Big Red Bash
again.
Happy days.
And maybe even a new tow vehicle.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for that one.
Stay tuned. She's nice.
So enjoy your New Year's Eve 2022. See you all in 2023.
Stay safe, guys.
Wandering Huckleberries. Where are we, Michelle?
Stuck in traffic, Glenn.
Whereabouts?
I couldn't tell you. Beer Burrum?
Beer Burrum would be about right.
Beer Burrum.
Yeah, we're heading north on the Bruce Highway, heading up to Burrum Heads for 5 days with Sam, the Huckleberry Hound.
He's got his head out the back.
And as you'd expect, on Boxing Day, we're doing, 8 kilometres an hour, which is really fast for the last half hour.
We kind of expected that everyone would be away today, and we were right.
Yep, we did expect it. So, just chilling. Anyway, 4 o'clock we should get to our campsite at the wonderful Trinity Islands Holiday Park, which we haven't been to before. So that's what this episode's about. Enjoy. So the entry to Trinity Islands is just off Burrum Heads Road. And here we are right now. So we'll just turn in. They've given us a key code. So we just put that into the keypad, which I'll do now. And the numbers are... Right, because we're not allowed to tell you the numbers, just in case you come up and get in. Got to pay to get in. It's pretty exclusive. So, we're through the gate, and we'll follow around to our island. What's our island called?
Well, you call it something that I don't really want to repeat, but...
Pirate Island.
Yeah, okay, Pirate's good, yeah.
Pirate Island. Pelican Island.
So there's a dump point up here on the right.
Dump point?
Just there.
Dump point on the right.
And there's some showers and there's some toilets in there.
Yep. So we're just across the
ditch.
Water there. The ditch. So we'll just turn in here.
Well, our island's also got a flushing toilet if need be. It looks like they're going to put...
They are. There's a big concrete slab, and they're obviously going to build a shower and toilet complex, which will make this place a lot better than the little plastic toilet boxes.
And straight ahead, apparently, is where you go down there, you can get down to the river, but they've actually closed it for the moment. But she said they'll probably have it open the next couple of days, so I don't know what they're doing.
Don't know what's going on down there. Yeah. Anyway, so turn in here. There's not that many people here, really. I mean, it can accommodate a whole lot more. So we are...
There's your flushing toilet and the slab.
Yeah, there's the slab.
And they've got power and they've got water here as well.
We're on a powered site.
Is it Platypus Island, I think it is?
No, it's not Platypus Island. I think it's Pelican Island.
Pelican Island. So that's a
yeah, put a map here. What's it say?
There's Pelican. You're
Pelican Island,
right for change.
yeah, thank you.
Bloody me.
All right, I'm going to reverse in. Bye.
Look.
Do you want to get the swim?
So he comes to the swim here at Trinity Island.
As you can see, we haven't got the awning out, because if we had have had the awning out, well, it would have blown away. So hopefully we'll get the awning out tomorrow, and might even get the kayak off the roof of the car tomorrow, because out there today was really just for windsurfers. It would have been ideal for windsurfers if you're a windsurfer, which I'm not. So kayaking tomorrow, awning tomorrow, but tonight, a couple of sherbets. On the door. There she is.
Hey.
She's here. Yeah.
It's so warm.
Warm where? It's windy.
It's so warm.
Yeah.
And I'm dry.
We're rugged up.
Empty.
We'll fix that.
No.
Where are we, Michelle?
Goodies on the beach.
Goodies on the beach.
Hang on, Sammy.
Goodies on the beach. Let's go and see what goodies have got. Actually, we were watching a video of another YouTube couple, Aussie Destinations Unknown, that have been here, and I think they're back here again too, because we saw their. No, we're not stalkers. We just thought we'd come down and check out goodies. I don't think they could get in, so we might not be able to get in either, but let's check it out. So we're at Tugun, down at the boat ramp. There's goodies on the beach, which looks pretty good. And it's a little hidden hideaway, isn't it? This looks really nice. We might just have some lunch in there, but let's have a look down here. Look at this. Really nice. Really nice. Isn't that nice?
It is nice. We could sit right here.
Let's go and ask. Get a table.
We get takeover if you could sit over there with him, that'd be fine.
Well, the boss has spoken. Apparently it's going to be too long to wait. Alright, we'll try the salty squid, which is just across the road from Goodies. Hurry up, Sam. So we couldn't get into Goodies, so where are we?
We could have, but there would have been a big wait. Where's squiddies?
No,
I don't know,
the salty squid.
Salty squid, squiddies.
Salty
Sammy, come here.
squiddies.
Come here.
Michelle's just renamed the salty squid squiddies. So
No,
fish and
that's
chips,
a pig.
a beer, and a squealing pig. Happy as. And here it is.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Excellent.
Thank you.
All good. Thank you.
Cheers.
might be blowing a gale. It might be a bit rainy and windy, but there's a really good rainbow. If you like rainbows, I'm not into rainbows, but it's a pretty good one. And here comes the storm. We had to reorientate the van today because of the wind and the rain and the storm. Anyway, we've got our fire charged and so are our glasses. Cheers.
Like a breath of spring. Your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging of you, please.
This is Vince. Vince has been to BCF today, and he's bought himself a casting net. Apparently, Vince, despite the fishing shirt, is not much good at this, but he's done some YouTube education and had some practice here, which was pretty good, wasn't it, gang? Yeah. So Vince is now an expert. He's going to show us how to cast a casting net and catch some tilapia. So, let's go, Vince. No pressure.
No pressure. There's so many different ways, so this is the easiest way I found to do it.
How many YouTube channels did you have a look at?
About 6.
About 6. And the one you're going to demonstrate now is the easiest way.
For me, it's the easiest way. I mean, one was holding it through my mouth, one was over the shoulder. This way I don't get wet. Try not to get wet.
We'll just step back here a minute.
Okay.
And on 3, Vince. I didn't go on. Actually, that was pretty good.
And I got some fish.
Oh,
Look
look
at that.
at that. It's got some little tilapia. Little tilapia. So, who needs instructions when you got YouTube, right? Those that want to know whether these wireless cameras for the back of your Caravan are any good, here's the picture. Probably not a good picture on my phone. And our van is over there. There it is. So, yeah, they work well. You know, a lot of YouTubers these days traveling the country full time. They've sold their house, they've bought great big rigs, great big caravans, and they're traveling. And I mean, their adventures are great to watch. But you don't have to sell your house, do you?
No.
You don't have to sell up everything and do that. I mean, there's plenty of people that want to go places and want to do things, but they don't want to leave their life behind and make it their life. I mean, travelling is obviously a great life, and I envy those people that are doing it. But what do?
Get away when we can. Weekends, 2 days here, 2 days there, a week here.
Exactly. You make time. Instead of sitting home on the weekends, if you've got a van, go away for 2 days. Take an extra day. Go away for 3 days. I mean,
Go away for one night.
One night. How far away do we go from home?
2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours, and we explore somewhere different every single time. And when we get the opportunity, we go a little bit further.
Yep.
I mean, this year, and we're almost at the end of 2022 now, we took a group of people out to Birdville, and that was a 3-week trip, and wasn't that good?
It was good. We'll be doing it again next year, which will be great.
Yeah, so we're going to in Birdville in 2023 to the 10th anniversary bash.
Come with us.
See the Hoodoo Gurus. Rock on. Look for Stony Creek group and come and say hello. Unlike some other YouTubers that might not want to mix with everyone, we do. We'll have a drink with you, say hi, and have a chat.
Well, I recently met the Elnicks, and they were beautiful people. Such a lovely, lovely family.
Yeah, look, the YouTubers that we've bumped into are usually great and want to have a chat and a drink. Even if it's not a drink, a cup of coffee if that's what you want. But I don't mind a beer.
I don't mind wine.
So yeah, we might be kind of people. But in a few minutes, we're going to go for another paddle around Trinity Island, and it's a little bit windy, so paddling into the wind is a bit fun.